Go to lunch in the Jewish community. I won't tell on the bros with immunity. Man, beat them, that shit ain't gon' ruin me.
I'm at the car wash, you guys. Good morning. Got me some McDonald's. And I'm at the car wash. You feel me? Yep, so we done. We're done. Now they finna draw it off. Yeah, feel. I'm gonna get back with y'all. I gotta put the car back and drive. I know this vlog ain't long. It's a short little vlog, but kind of on push for time because I am at work, bro. And I got my breakfast, and I just gave y'all a little car wash vlog. I do got more content on the way, so stay tuned, bro. So stay tuned, bro. Like, I got more content on the way, gang, for sure. And I tell y'all, I got more content. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, y'all need to, like, you know, stay tuned, have them bells on, bro. But if you're new to the channel, I'm Quincy. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tap that bell so you be notified when your boy Q posts, and let's get it.